Money isn't just about numbers on a screen. It's freedom, it's security, and it's the power to shape your future. The difference between staying stuck and building real wealth often comes down to the small, daily habits you choose. And in this video, we're breaking down 10 powerful money habits that can transform your financial life in 2025. Even if you're starting small, even if you're living on a low income, stick with me until the end, because one of these habits could be the turning point for your financial future. Habit number 1, pay yourself first. Automate savings. Most people save what's left after spending, but the wealthy, they flip that around. They save first and only spend what's left. Here's the key: automate it. The moment money hits your account, set up an automatic transfer into a savings or investment account. Even if it's just $50 or $100 a month, consistency builds momentum. Over time, that simple habit creates a safety net, a shield that protects you from emergencies, and a foundation for bigger opportunities. Habit number 2, budget like a CEO. Think of yourself as the CEO of your own finances. A company would never run without a budget, and neither should you. Break your income into clear categories: essentials, savings, investments, and personal spending. Track where every dollar goes, but don't overcomplicate it. A simple 50-30-20 system works for most people. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or investing. The goal is simple: make your money work for you instead of disappearing without you noticing. Habit number 3, eliminate invisible expenses. Take a hard look at your bank statement. How many charges are there that you don't even think about? Subscriptions you barely use, impulse buys, late fees. These are invisible expenses, and they silently bleed your wallet dry. Cancel what you don't use. Negotiate your bills. Shop smarter, because every dollar you stop wasting is a dollar you can redirect toward your goals. And over a year, those small savings add up far more than you think. Habit number 4, build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Job loss, medical bills, car repairs, they all happen when you least expect them. Without a financial cushion, you'll end up borrowing or digging yourself into debt. That's why you need an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses, kept in a separate, easy-to-access account. It's not about earning big returns here. It's about security. That safety net gives you peace of mind and the confidence to take bigger steps without fear. Habit number 5, increase your income. Start a side hustle. You can only cut so many expenses, but your income potential is unlimited. That's why building additional income streams is one of the most powerful money habits. And in 2025, opportunities are everywhere. Freelancing, digital products, consulting, online tutoring, e-commerce, content creation. Even a few $100 extra a month can accelerate your savings, help you invest more, or pay off debts faster. And who knows, that little side hustle could grow into something much bigger. Habit number 6, avoid bad debt. Use credit wisely. Debt can either be a tool or a trap. High interest loans, credit card balances, payday loans. These are traps. They drain your money and keep you chained down. Instead, use credit carefully, strategically. Pay off balances in full each month. Keep your utilization low. Think of credit as a way to build trust, not as free money. The goal isn't to avoid credit completely. It's to make sure credit never controls you. Habit number 7, learn how money works. We live in a world where people spend years studying subjects they'll never use, but almost no time learning about money, the thing they use every single day. If you want financial freedom, you need to become a student of money. Read books, watch financial channels, listen to podcasts, learn about budgeting, investing, markets, and global finance. Because the more you understand money, the harder it becomes for money to control you. Habit number 8, invest for the future, wisely and ethically. Here's the truth: you will never save your way to wealth. Saving is about security, but investing, that's about growth. That doesn't mean chasing risky schemes or gambling in the markets. It means putting your money into real, productive assets that grow over time. That could mean real estate you can afford and manage, gold or precious metals as a hedge, stocks in companies that create real value, or even starting or supporting a business. The key is long-term, ethical, productive. Be patient, because compounding takes time, but it's one of the most powerful forces in finance. Habit number 9, protect your wealth. It's not just about making money, it's about keeping it safe. That means having the right protections in place. Keep your money in reliable institutions. Diversify, so all your wealth isn't locked in one place. And ensure what matters most: your health, your assets, your ability to earn. Because one unexpected event can wipe out years of progress. Protection makes sure your hard work isn't lost overnight. Habit number 10, think long-term, not short-term. The biggest trap people fall fall into is chasing instant gratification, a new phone, a flashy car, the latest trend. But wealthy people, they think decades ahead. Ask yourself, will this purchase bring me closer to freedom or hold me back? Will it matter in 5 years? Wealth isn't built overnight. It's built through consistent, disciplined choices, repeated over years. Patience is your biggest financial weapon. So, let's recap. Pay yourself first. Budget like a CEO. Cut invisible expenses. Build your emergency fund. Grow your income with side hustles. Avoid bad debt. Keep learning about money. Invest in real, ethical assets. Protect what you build. And most importantly, think long term. These 10 money habits are simple, but don't underestimate their power. Small steps, repeated daily, can transform your financial future. Because the truth is, money isn't just about numbers, it's about control. It's about freedom. It's about building a life on your own terms. So I'll leave you with one question. Which habit will you start today? This has been Self Finance 2025. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And drop a comment down below. Which money habit are you working on this year?